guys, so I just wanted to make a really quick video showing you how to measure your fingers for press-ons. I'm going to show you 3 ways with measuring tape, regular tape, and the sizing kit. So I'm going to take the measuring tape here and use the side with the millimeters. That gold part can make it kind of hard to get an accurate measurement, so I'm going to use probably starting from like 2, or that line right before the 2. There we go. So you want to measure the widest part of your finger, the widest part, trust me. So from one end to the other, my finger is 16 millimeters. And I would write that down and do all 10 fingers like that. So that's 16, and that was really that simple. That's the measuring tape version. Now I'm going to show you the regular tape version. So I'm just going to grab a piece of tape there. I'm going to slap it on my thumb. Okay, I'm going to put that bad boy on my thumb, get either a pen or a marker. I like using a pen. I'm going to show you a pen first. And we're just going to make a line on the edges of our finger. And my pen decided it really didn't like me right here. I'm angry. I was angry. I gave up. I grabbed a marker. There we go. So we're going to make that line on each side. Again, take that bad boy off. We're going to slap it down on a surface. Smack. Wait. Smack. There we go. Grab a ruler or measuring tape, whatever you have, and we're going to measure the widest part of our finger. 16 millimeters. So that's the same finger, the thumb for me, 16 millimeters. Write that bad boy down, do all 10 fingers. Last way to measure, and probably the easiest, would be with the sizing kit. So it comes with all 10 nail sizes. You can start with whichever one you think will fit. I started with 0. That's too big. So then I'm going to grab the number 1, and I put that bad boy on my finger, and it fits perfectly for me. Yay! So you do want to make sure that, if anything, it's too big rather than too small, because you can file it down. And that would be it. We got our perfect nail for our perfect finger. You want to do all 10 and you're set. We're all done. Yay!